How to reduce header size in Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to do so. Now in this case we will be using Horizon theme, and just keep in mind that each theme is going to be a little bit different from the other. So first you will need to just go to online store, go to themes, and then just click on edit theme. Now luckily for us, Horizon theme is actually very easy to make the header even smaller than this. So all you need to do really just go and click on the header section like so. And then from here, you have all of these different options to choose from. All you want to do is just go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you find the appearance section. From the appearance section, you can adjust the width, whether it's going to be page or full size. But most importantly, we have the height here. And if you want it to be a little bit smaller, you can just go for the compact option. It's just going to make things a lot smaller, as you can see. Also, you have the border thickness, so if it's more than 5 or more than 0, actually just go ahead and make it 0. It's going to make things even smaller. And this is it when it comes to the options that are going to allow you to change here within these settings. And also, if you have the option to reduce the size of the logo, it's also going to help, so just be sure to do so. Now, in case you don't have the padding settings here, and you can't really do the compact one for your theme. In this case, you simply just want to scroll down and go to custom CSS and paste in this code right here. Now you have the padding top and padding bottom, and you can feel free to adjust them as you like. So if you increase this number, it's going to also increase for you. But in this case, we want it to be the smallest it can be, so just go ahead and make it 0. And same goes for the bottom one. You just go ahead and make it 0. And this is the smallest it actually can go. So combined with the compact option that we have with the Horizon theme, it's this small. So yeah, this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.